Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create, or rather edit, your decals on Roblox. So the same process as the one on editing and creating a free t-shirt on my previous video, please check it out. So let's get on with this one. So before we get started, I just want to let you know if you're using Microsoft Edge, same as me, or you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, that is perfectly fine to use any browser. Of course, you need to have access to the internet, okay? So that being said, let's get straight to it. Click roblox.com. I think I misspelled it. Give me a second here. So this should be the landing page of Roblox. Make sure you're logged in. Check on the upper right section. You need to have your username right there. You need to have your photo of your Roblox account. That being said, here you just need to hover your mouse on the create section right beside Marketplace and Roblox. Click on create. And then if you're new to the create section, you need to download this extension, or rather add-in on this Roblox itself. This is gonna be I think a minute or two installations very quickly. So on this section right now, this should be the landing page, and just hover your mouse on development items. Once you're here, you're gonna see plugins, audio, and of course decals. This is the one we need, and then simply upload any asset, or rather upload any images you want to use as a basis on your decal. So I'm just gonna try and check this photo I got from the internet, and then just name it decal 1. And then description, girl decal, simply like that, okay? It's really up to you what to put here, and click on upload very quickly right there, and wait for it to finish, and basically you just created your decal, okay? And that's how you use, or rather that's how you create your decal on Roblox. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.